noticed that there is always a bit more of a resistance to paint than to sketch. Did you notice that too? Can you relate? Of course that's true that it's easier and quicker just to grab a pen to make a few lines than to set up the palette and just putting out the brushes and everything, but I don't think it's the only reason. It's not only a matter of it's easier and quicker to set, I think it's also a kind of a mindset feeling about having more pressure to paint than to draw.
Devant toi, une page blanche. Mon 9e, pas pour donner un sens. La grande fatigue que tu portes en toi. Au moins une dent, tu ne t'ennuieras pas.
Why this pressure? Maybe because of this kind of noble act to paint. Plus watercolor is so gorgeous. Probably we are a bit intimidated about the medium and its loveliness and its gorgeousness. Some of you would say, and it's a bit expensive, the tubes and the paper and the brushes. So maybe we feel that we have to be up to the job, up to the task, up to the medium. And even I would say up to the expectation we have about it and about the results we would get with it.
Au moins une dent, tu ne t'ennuieras pas. Ferme les yeux, remonte les souvenirs. Tes poussières, tes rêves, ils vont bientôt servir. Tu pars pour un monde de lumière. Tu seras aussi grand que tu l'espères.
So maybe we tend to consider painting with watercolor a bit too much like going for a date rather than just hanging out with friends. So a bit more pressure, a bit more preparation, a bit more overthinking. Because watercolor feels special, you feel that you have to put some more effort for it. And yeah, watercolor is so noble, and I would say that's an homage that we tend to treat it like a date, but maybe, and I am mostly giving this advice firstly to myself, we should learn to treat it a bit kind of more casually.
Mais avant de partir, tu aimerais écrire une dernière lettre. Mais avant de partir, tu aimerais écrire une dernière lettre.
So yeah, make friends with watercolor, hang out with it as often as you can, every day, everywhere, on any subject. Just don't wait for kind of a special subject or situation that would deserve its inner beauty, you know? Let's not wait for the perfect moment when we have time, when we feel brave enough, when we feel good enough, when we feel that we deserve watercolor beauty.
Tu rêves grand dans un corps trop petit pour toi. Tu rêves grand dans une vie qui ne te va pas. Tu passes de l'autre côté pour enfin exister. Tant de rêves que tu dois réaliser. Mais avant de partir, tu aimerais écrire une dernière lettre.
Let's make it a bit casual, like being friends with the most wonderful, beautiful art practice in the world. And you know what? I truly believe that getting friends with watercolor will make you fall in love with it even more. The paradox between the content of this video and this moment when I made this painting in the street is that it was such a struggle to try to shoot this for you. The struggle was not even painting in the street and having all the people all around, but just being able to set a bit of the camera. I was shooting with my phone, but I guess it took 10 to 15 minutes trying to get you know, the right angle so that you could see what I am painting. And then I had the phone a bit of in my nose and I could barely see what I was doing. So I guess maybe making this video and wanting to share the practice with you can be a bit in the way for me about making it spontaneous and casual. So I'm still happy to spread this message for you and hoping that you would hang out with watercolor even more friendly. But at the same time I know that I have to find a way to apply it to myself along with offering it with you in the video. Thank you so much for watching, thank you, and I will see you soon.
Toutes ces choses qui s'écrivent pas dans les